close your hands quickly several times. Give a little shake to hands in the air. Then shake your arms to the front to release tension. Extend your arms in front of you and open your hands with fingers pointing up. Clench your fists and start twisting them outward several times. Keep your arms extended and open your hands with fingers pointing upwards again. Clench your fists again and now twist them several times in the opposite direction. Repeat the entire exercise at least 3 times.